push people to buy more collectors. Do you think that's kind of a thing they're looking to do? Well, I mean, I think one thing that they are working towards, especially for this product, because this is a product with, was there like 600 cards in this set? I think there's like 10 packs left. SR. And a Kaito! Oh, this. Yeah, the Kaito. There you go. That Kaito's not bad there, SR. If I believe, when I looked at TCG player, that was a pretty good hit. I did do a TCG player run just to kind of get a general